Wow, murder what they talk down, want that choppers in his car, we gon' dump that. Man, welcome to the vlog. Finna go shoot some pistols, hopefully buy one too, but finna go shoot some, cop some, drop some, you know. Cause we 3 subscribers away from 500, man, so make sure y'all like, y'all comment, and most definitely subscribe to the young, cause the young trying to, you know what I'm saying, get a little 1, 2, you know what I'm saying, don't hate on the kids, just subscribe for it with me. Carry the 26. I'll just show you. See what I'm talking about? Damn, I'm throwing it first. Woo! I ain't missed. I ain't missed. Stop playing with that boy. That boy ain't missed. Stop playing with that boy, y'all see it. Stop playing with that boy. That boy ain't missed. Stop playing with that boy, y'all see it.
Nah.
That boy ain't missed on my camera. Shooting a 4.5, shoot 4.5. You don't want to know none of that action. I missed a couple times. Let's see. Hey. Hey. I ain't missing though. That's the 4. That boy bad. Stop moving. Be steady. She was scared. Stop moving. Be steady. Stop moving. I don't think I hit nothing, did it? Did I hit something? I did. Oh, I did. Aiming for the noggin, man. I don't think I hit nothing, did it? I did. Oh, I did. Aiming for the noggin, man. Ready? You wanna go? Hold it tight. Woo! Okay, keep shooting. Keep shooting. You out? You out, man? Don't hit the trigger. Wait. Get your own video. Alright, get it when you're ready. I like it, hold it tight.
I got one.
Okay. What you got? What you got? Bring it here. Ooh, shit. God damn. That bitch shooting that Drake over there, ain't it? That's the mighty nose. You got a nigga hip.
And that I think I got that.
Okay, man. Alright. Shoot. 4, 5. Use this. Oh yeah, I didn't hear innocent bystander. Yup. 11. It's probably the end of the vlog.
Oh!
Drop. What? 106? How much it? They here shooting that shit. Now make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe. I should have fun. I ain't gonna let my body. Most on like 2 bullets. She put like 2 bullets in the thing, man.
It's all
You gotta say it to it.
All hard. I seen them all.
Then you tell what you want.